So, are you pouring money into digital marketing but just not seeing it hit your bottom line? In this explainer, we're going to show you how the savviest businesses are moving way beyond just chasing traffic to actually engineering predictable, measurable revenue.
Here's a quick look at what we'll cover. We'll start with the big problem plaguing most digital marketing. Then, we'll dive into a new philosophy, engineering revenue. I'll walk you through our 4-step blueprint, show you the tools we use to get it done, and reveal the kind of transformation you can expect. And we'll wrap up with a really clear next step for you.
All right, let's kick things off with the core issue, the thing that holds so many businesses back. And it all comes down to the myth of more traffic.
Let me ask you a serious question. Are your marketing metrics lying to you? Because if you're measuring the wrong things, your entire strategy could be built on, well, a house of cards. This is precisely where so many marketing efforts start to fall apart.
And this right here is the critical difference. On the left, you've got vanity metrics. You know them, likes, shares, big traffic numbers. They feel good, for sure, but they don't pay the bills. Now, on the right, you have the business metrics that actually drive growth. What's your customer acquisition cost? What's your return on ad spend? And the most important one of all, what's your bottom line revenue?
And you know, this is the painful result when you focus on those vanity metrics. Your website, it just becomes an expensive digital brochure. Sure, it might get visitors, but it's failing at its most important job, turning all that traffic into actual paying customers.
And that brings us to the solution. It all starts with a fundamental shift in thinking. We're moving from chasing activity to engineering profitability. This is the core of the Dakshraj Enterprise philosophy. Our lead strategist, Monica Shaw, puts it perfectly. We don't guess, we engineer math-based systems. Every single tactic, every campaign, every dollar spent is rigorously tied directly to your profitability. There's zero guesswork involved. So the bottom line is this. We take that expensive digital brochure and we turn it into a relentless, hardworking, 24/7 lead generation engine. It becomes an asset that actively grows your business day and night.
So, how exactly do we do it? Well, we follow a proprietary framework we call the 4-step growth blueprint. It's designed to systematically achieve market dominance for our clients. Okay, here's how it breaks down. Step 1, the Forensic Digital Audit. We go deep, dissecting your digital footprint, your competitors, everything, to find those hidden opportunities. Step 2, strategic digital engineering. This is where we build a data-driven plan for long-term dominance, focusing on solid technical health. Step 3, multi-channel optimization and scaling. We launch aggressive SEO, PPC, and social media campaigns designed to capture market share. And finally, Step 4, and this is absolutely key, relentless conversion optimization. We use every tool in the book, like A/B testing, to make sure that traffic actually converts into revenue.
Now, to execute that blueprint, we deploy a full-service arsenal of strategic tools. Let's take a look at the toolkit we use to engineer your growth.
First up, search engine dominance. This is all about one thing, making sure that when your highest intent customers are looking for you, they find you, not your competition.
And we cover every single angle of modern search. This goes way beyond old-school SEO. We specialize in local, technical, and e-commerce SEO. We're also at the forefront of generative and answer engine optimization, making sure you're visible not just in search results, but in AI-powered answers too. And all of this is supported by high-authority link building and online reputation management.
Next up in the toolkit is paid media and lead generation. You can think of this as the accelerator. It's how we drive immediate, targeted traffic and build a consistent flow of qualified leads. Here we use precision-targeted pay-per-click ads, smart social media marketing, and strategic email campaigns to grab attention and nurture interest. We build powerful lead generation funnels for both B2B and B2C and create content pipelines that turn prospects into customers.
Finally, none of that traffic matters one bit if your website isn't built to convert. So, our third set of tools makes sure your digital foundation is rock solid and fully optimized for performance. We are relentless with conversion rate optimization, making sure you get maximum value from every single visitor. And we build this on a foundation of high-performance web design and scalable development, ensuring your site is fast, secure, and totally ready to grow with you.
So, what does this all actually mean for your business? Let's talk about the transformation, the real, tangible benefits you get when you shift from a traffic-focused mindset to a revenue-engineered one.
First, you get better search visibility. Plain and simple, this means your customers find you at the exact moment they're ready to buy. Second, you get more qualified leads.
See, we don't just bring any traffic. We attract the visitors who are actively searching for your solution. That means your sales team spends its time talking to people who are actually ready to become customers.
And third, you get stronger conversions. By optimizing that web foundation, we turn more of those qualified visitors into paying customers, which maximizes the return on your entire marketing investment.
And the ultimate outcome? It's what you see right here. It's not about reports filled with those vanity metrics. It's about a measurable, significant increase in your bottom line revenue. This is the goal of everything we do.
This brings us to your path to predictable growth. If you are ready to stop guessing and start engineering real results, here is your very first step.
So let me leave you with this question. Is your website a true asset that actively grows your business, or is it just another expense on your balance sheet? Let's find out together. Go ahead and claim your free, no-obligation Forensic Digital Audit today, and let's uncover exactly where your hidden revenue opportunities are waiting.